What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "The Moment She Realized She Made the Worst Decision Ever." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. Is it gonna play?
Can't do that.
Stop touching me!
Stop.
Get out now! Get out now!
You're biting me, so stop!
Stop!
Stop bit me!
Officers attempted to pull this vehicle over for speeding, but the driver sped up and continued to drive for over 6 minutes. When she finally stops at a gas station, she has a complete meltdown and begins acting like the victim when officers arrest her.
South on 503, pulling into the Sunoco, We stopped at the Sunoco.
Okay.
Hands! Hands!
Units responding and stopping here at the Sunoco.
I've been trying to stop you for 5 miles. Okay. Okay, you can't do that. Okay. You can't do that. Okay. Okay, well, do you understand you can't do that?
I'm not from this state.
Okay.
I'm driving through and I'm being safe and I am a black woman.
Do me a favor.
And I'm doing what you asked. My hands is in your
Do
face.
me a favor. Stop talking and listen to what I'm trying to tell you. Don't reach in the car, ma'am. Put your hands back out. Ma'am, please put your hands out the window. Use your left hand to open that door for me.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Get out of my car. You can go up to my car.
I'm not coming up to the car.
Okay, well, I'm not.
She's 7'5", Dayton. She won't get out of the car. Keep your hands where I can see them. Don't reach in the car.
I'm not getting out of my car.
You're going to get out of the car. Don't reach in the car.
I want to thank you. Can you record this? I'm not getting out of my car. I didn't do anything wrong.
Unlock your door, ma'am. You're
no,
speeding.
I'm not getting out of my car. No, I'm not.
Don't
Stop
do
touching
that.
me.
You can't
Stop
do that.
touching me.
Stop resisting
stop
me.
touching me.
Stop resisting
Stop
me.
touching me.
Unlock the door.
Stop
Stop
touching
resisting me.
Stop touching me. Hold on. Hold on.
That's fine. Step out for me. Step
Call
out.
your dad. Call your dad. This cop is pulling me
Stop
out of my
resisting
car
me.
for no reason.
Get
He's
your
pulling me out of my car
taser.
for no reason. Guys,
Stop.
get ready.
Taser,
Yeah, she
taser.
about to get hit with
Get
that,
out,
boy.
Get tased.
Get out now!
Stop.
Get out now, ma'am!
Stop.
Please get out! Please get out, ma'am!
If you want to record, that's fine. Get out of harm's way and come over here. Step. Let's get out of the car.
Drive to a safe spot.
Come out of the car.
I didn't want to get off on the
Grab her
side of
arm.
the freeway.
Grab her arm.
Stop!
Yeah, get her together, man. Get her together. She thinks she's running shit.
Easy,
Get her together.
easy, easy.
Get her together. You ain't running nothing over here, baby.
Hand.
Baby!
Give me your hand.
Babe, can you come and help me? Call your dad.
Easy, easy.
This is my ID. This is my
Easy.
ID, sir. All I'm asking is can you take my ID?
I'm trying to get. You're biting me, so stop.
Oh,
Stop.
yeah.
Stop
She,
biting me.
she messed up.
Stop biting.
Oh, yeah. She messed up.
Let go of me.
Get her other
Let
hand.
go
She just
of
bit
me.
me in the leg.
Let go of me.
Oh, yeah. They gonna get you together. Don't worry about it, baby. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. They gonna deal with you. You drove. Now, let's keep in mind, you can pull over if you know, in a safe manner, but not 5 miles. Now, you dragging it. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feel safe at a certain point, you could, there is a little leeway there. You know what I'm saying? But not 5 miles. You tripping. That's way too, that's way out of pocket. That's way out of pocket. And then you lucky, you know, he wasn't one of those cops that was like quick to draw first, because he wants your hands outside of the car and you keep reaching, putting it back in. You lucky he ain't just, I'm a black woman. And you lucky he ain't just, oh yeah, boop, send you to the afterlife, you hear me? Send you to the afterlife. You playing a dangerous game. You do your homework. You better listen. Hard head gonna make a soft ass, boy.
I broke my heart.
Easy.
It broke my heart.
Stop resisting me. me.
I got it. Cuffs on. Take a step back. Take a step back. I got it. I got it.
I didn't do anything. I was driving and I didn't feel safe pulling over on the side of the freeway. So I came to the nearest exit and I pulled up to the gas station. I told the cop what
On
it
your butt.
was.
On your butt.
I
Sit up.
didn't feel safe.
Sit up. Relax.
I didn't feel safe here.
Relax. You're okay.
He broke my arm.
Relax.
He broke my arm.
Relax.
So one cop is bleeding. The other cop
275 Dayton.
got bit. You going to jail for sure now. Simple traffic
Let's
stop.
go to the nearest gas station.
Dayton, I need you to start me a squad. Signal 5. Give me a supervisor.
Man, get her in the car, man.
No, he broke my arm. He slammed my head on the ground.
Ma'am, you bit me.
You're gonna go to. I'm gonna come.
Listen, all you have to do is
I'm
listen.
suing. I am suing. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not a criminal. I am not a criminal. I am not a criminal. I didn't do anything.
The only thing I was trying to do is stop you from speeding.
I kept. I was going 70 miles per hour on the cruise control, sir.
You were doing what?
I was on the cruise control. I had my car on cruise control 70 miles per hour.
No, you were at 81.
No, I wasn't. I had it on cruise control at 70 miles per hour. I know what I was doing. I have done nothing.
Relax.
I was uncomfortable. I'm in another foreign state. I don't know where I am. And I was driving and he turned his lights on in California.
Hey,
you
you-
pull off
you have
onto
a
the
large back
freeway
seat?
where it is safe.
A large back seat. You want to just wait for
You
EMS?
pull it safe. You get somewhere where you're safe, and I am a
That's
safe
not-
single
I
woman.
turned on
And
my
I
siren.
saw you, and I said I'm gonna pull over where it's
You
safe.
didn't tell me anything.
I couldn't tell you
How can you
nothing.
tell me that?
What am I supposed to do? Pull over? You
Pull
broke
over.
my arm. You broke my arm.
Hey, can you sit with your? I'm gonna go.
I'm not touching it right now.
No
Ma'am?
reason.
I know it's legal in California, but you also have the odor of
I was
marijuana
trying to
coming out of
be
your car.
safe. I don't have no marijuana. I was trying to be
All
safe.
you have to
sir.
do is pull over. That's the safest thing to
I didn't know
do.
where to go. I was trying to pull over at the next exit. Did I not pull over at the next
No,
exit?
well, I don't know
Did
that.
I pull over at the next exit, sir?
How am I supposed to know
Did
where
I
you're going
pull
to
over
stop?
at the next exit?
Yes.
When you asked me,
Are
what
you
did
in
I
California?
say? Wait, let me ask you a question.
Are you in
Let me
California?
ask you a question. Did I explain to you why I said kept going?
And I asked you to
Did
get out
I
of the
explain
car.
to you? And
And
why would I
said
get
you-
out of the car
because
on
you're
a
leading me on a pursuit.
What? I was not leading you on a pursuit. I explained to you. When I pulled up, sir, let me talk to you, okay?
talk to him.
Listen,
When I pulled up, didn't I say to you, I put my hands out and I
and you
said,
did
"Sir."
exactly what I asked you to
Exactly,
do.
and I said to you, the reason
But I
why.
said you have to get out of the car.
When I
You said I'm
I-
not
why?
doing so.
Because I'm not a criminal and I've done nothing
I never
wrong.
said you were a criminal, ma'am. I told you
can
that
I
you were
please-
speeding.
I was
all
not
I was
speeding.
trying to do is
I
catch
was
up
on
to you.
cruise control.
You were not. You were at
Yes, I was.
81.
It was an 18 wheeler that pulled up behind me when we
Way
passed
before
you.
that. You passed me
I
at
was
the
not
4.
speeding. I was on cruise control. Cruise control.
Ma'am, is your ID in here?
Yes.
What is your name, ma'am?
I was on cruise control the whole time.
Why would you bite me?
I didn't know what I was doing.
You didn't know what you were doing, so
I
you bit
didn't
me.
know what I was doing.
Are you on
I was-
medication? Are you on medication?
What?
What do you mean? You said you don't know what you're doing, so
Because you guys, you just slammed me on the ground.
We asked
and
you to
pulled
step
me
out of the
car.
car.
And then you threw me and you slammed my, my arm is broken.
what is your name, ma'am?
I just told you.
I want to. Is this you?
Yes, that's
Okay.
me.
I'll be 42.
Where are you headed to, ma'am?
I'm headed to New York.
Okay, why are you doing that?
I didn't do anything.
Why
I
didn't you
came
just
to
stop?
A safe place. It is raining. It is 18 wheelers going by. There was nowhere to pull over.
The whole side of the road is for you.
Exit.
But you can't do
And
that.
we don't do that where I'm
But you're not in
from.
California.
I didn't know what the rules are. I didn't know that I had to pull over exactly where you said.
All right, so
You
let me
broke
do
my arm.
something.
Yeah, but that's not the cop's fault that you don't know the rules of where you driving to. or driving through. Every state got different laws. Every state got different rules. Honestly, what she says in the beginning does kind of sound right. You know what I mean? Like pulling over where you feel safe and this and that or whatever. But 5 miles, that's excessive. I ain't gonna lie, that's excessive. You know, any other person, and that's just setting you up for extra BS. Cause it's not like you getting out of the car anyway. And a normal traffic stop, you just gonna pull over. They gonna come up. Oh, you've been speeding, and you gonna give over the information, get your ticket, and go about your way. That's it. You ain't getting out the car. You know what I'm saying? So all of that driving extra till I'm safe and all of that, you just putting the cop more on alert, and that makes for a dangerous situation, honestly.
Okay.
Slam my head on the ground.
Let me do something with you, okay? I need you to pay attention to me, okay? Just listen for me real quick. Can you do that? Are you on any kind of medication right now? Nothing at all. Are you currently using marijuana? I can smell marijuana coming from your car. Do you recreationally use it?
No.
Something like that?
No.
Do you know what today's date is?
Today is the... Hold on. Today's the 13th.
The 13th.
June 13th, and I have a room set for the Seneca Hotel in Niagara Falls.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to read you your rights right now, okay? You don't have to talk anymore. You don't have to answer any questions, but I'm going to read them to you, okay? It says, before we ask any questions, you must understand your rights. We means myself or any police
Can I ask
officer.
you why you didn't do that before you grabbed me out the car?
At that point, I don't have to read you your rights, okay? Now, if we ask you questions, that's what the rights are for.
The suspect was evaluated by a medical team and transported to the station without any further incident. She was charged with resisting arrest, assault of an officer, evading an officer, and failure to stop for an officer. Let us know what you thought about this.
My bad. I'm glad Uncovered skipped all the BS. You know what I'm saying? And got straight to the point at the end. I like that. Man. The cops, man. I see her side. I see the civilian side. But where she kind of messed up is not getting out of the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's where you messed up. That's where it kind of went south. Once you refuse to do that, yeah, you kind of lost the battle or whatever. You was starting off kind of good, I wanted to pull over somewhere safe, yada yada. Anybody can understand that, especially if you're from a state that is more lenient with that or whatever. Everyone can understand that. But then when the cop asks you to step out of the vehicle and you refuse, and he's asking you to keep your hands outside of the vehicle, and you keep putting your hands back inside the vehicle, we gonna get you together. That's the bottom line. So I get a cop of 3, man. I think he did, satisfactory. I think it was decent.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.